This comprehensive tool set is constructed from high-quality forged steel with a polished chrome finish, ensuring exceptional durability and resistance to corrosion for long-lasting performance. With its impressive collection of 228 pieces, this kit provides a versatile assortment suitable for a wide range of automotive repairs, household maintenance, and DIY projects. The included 72-tooth quick-release ratchet operates smoothly with a minimal 5-degree swing arc, making it highly effective for working in tight spaces. Many of the essential hand tools, including the pliers and screwdrivers, feature comfortable, soft-grip handles that provide excellent control and reduce fatigue during extended use. All components are neatly organized and secured within a durable, custom-molded carrying case, which makes both storage and transportation incredibly convenient. The entire set weighs just 12.78 pounds, making it remarkably portable, and is housed in a stylish black case with a unique diamond plate texture that helps conceal dirt.